Okay, to access the answers on your quiz, what you're going to do is you're going to go up to the top where it says responses. From here, you have three different options. You have the summary, gives you the scores, question, you can look question by question, or you can look by individual. What you're going to want is individual. Then you're going to pull down to the person you want, and from there, you can scroll down and see every question that they got right and the questions they got wrong. From there, you can release the score. Now, if you're going to release the score, I would go through and make sure you give them like a point for each. Like here, she got that one right. It's 1 point, right? And you'll see when I did that, edits are pending. You want to save it. I'm not going to save it right now. I'll leave it like that. And that's it. So again, discard. So again, you're going to go from questions. You'll be in questions when you log into the form. Go to responses. Now, if you're on this part and you don't see where it says questions, you have to click down here on the bottom right, edit form, and that will open up this part and you'll see where the responses are. All right? Let me know if you have any questions.